Here's I have some tools which will help you to diagnose your furnace. The first thing what you have, probably you should have, is a anemometer. Anemometer actually sensing the speed of air. Okay, you're probably able to check the airflow which going through the air duct and check what the temperature is going through the. Here's I have a sensor, and it will show like that. See, here's it's like change the speed of velocity air. Okay, and also you can check also how is running the airflow through from the inducer motor, but we also have another tool for this. If you will have any issues with, for example, with blower wheel motor, no, sorry, with inducer motor, for example, the blower wheel is running, but you're able to connect this like pressure test on internal heat exchange camera. You can just unplug this thing, pipe from the pressure switch, and put this thing to there, and you will see how the will change the parameters of this, like a tester, actually manometer, and it will show what is getting like a suction inside, and that will be means something, or for example the inducer blower wheel will fall down, the motor is still running, you see what this fan is running, but something wrong inside with inducer, and everything here is already connected. You just don't see what pressure switch doesn't run. It could be just the pressure switch issue, but it could be also issue with inducer, the inducer wheel inside this camera. Okay, also, for example, if everything is okay with your suction pressure inside the heat exchange camera, that will be means what something wrong with your pressure switch. You will just see what everything is running correct. And here's we have some parameters, inch of like a pressure, inch pressure, and you will see just the parameters of this thing. Actually, if I will blow here like that, here's a brake parameter is 0.27. Yeah, see, I just blow a little bit inside to my mouth, and it's already too much. And here's a 142, sorry, 0.42. It's a maximum, okay? And just a small power of your mouth pressure will be enough just for check what this manometer is working pretty well. This is very important thing. Also you can check. Here's we have. You can also with this tool can check the gas pressure. If you will have here something like here's I have a connector, you will able to check the gas pressure. And because sometimes the gas pressure from the gas supply will not enough, and probably the gas will not burning very well, and it won't be the flame sensor will not sense flame very well. Okay. The next thing for the the furnace, the next tool what you should have, it's very important. It's a carbon monoxide sensor. For example, your heat exchanger is too old, your furnace is too old, and your heat exchanger is a little bit rusted or so, and your gas injector and your blower wheel motor doesn't like burning whole natural gas mixed with air, not totally burning. For why it could be a reason of creation the carbon monoxide. Actually, it's okay when it's not burning at all. It's just that the flame will be like a yellow flame, yellow color, and it won't be, and the furnace will be able to remove these carbon monoxide through the this pipe through the inducer motor. It will just removing and go out to the street, to outside. Okay, but if you have a bad heat exchanger, for example, it's rusted and have a small holes or somewhere, you will able to see what this parameter like a ppm, it could be different of the zero, from zero, and it could be, and it will say what something wrong with your heater system, because it's have a hole and it's giving inside the house the carbon monoxide. And actually, if this thing will be higher than 50, probably after 12 hours it could be a reason, and it just can kill you. For why it's very important to check when you do something with your heater, with customer's heater, every time you should have check this carbon monoxide level. Okay, the next thing what you should, I hope so, you should have, this is a thermal camera. It's a simple thermal camera from the FLIR company, which connecting to the smartphone or your mobile device. You will able to see how hot your heater, or how hot it's giving the warm air from the exhaust, or how hot air it's able to give from the ducts. Okay, just a small example how it's working. See right here, I put my hand and it will show what my hand is right now, is around like a 93 Fahrenheit, and you will see my blood in my hand, right? Same way for the heater. If you will see what you have like overheated places on your heater, you probably should make some attention of these places. Also, for the customer, you can make a picture of this from this device and attach to your report for the customer. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope this video little bit will help you to understand how work the furnace or heater in your house. Probably it will make sense for understanding you how to fix your small problem in your heater. But if you don't feel too much confident, just a call to someone to professionals who able to make a right repair of your heating and ventilation system. If you'd like this video, please press thumbs up. I will be very appreciated. Thank you. Bye bye.